Oh. So, Babita, my name is Neetu. I'm from Delhi. I'm a housewife. I have one kid. Apart from that, I am running a YouTube channel. If I am talking about my hobbies are traveling. I love to go outside. I'm not the person who can sit at one place all the time. And now I'm running, like I am searching a job for me that I can do. So
Okay.
that's all about me.
Yeah, that's really good.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah, that's really a good job you're doing, and you are doing lots of things like you love to traveling, and you are running YouTube channel. It's a very good thing. And do you have children, ma'am?
Sorry.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have one
Do you
kid.
have? Okay, okay. Yeah, good to
Yes.
know about you, ma'am. Thank you. So now it's my turn.
Hmm.
Yeah. So, yeah, my name is Babita Prajapati. I'm talking to you from Gorakhpur. About my education, I have done graduation with English. I did PG, I did BA, and I have qualified
Hmm.
CTET, UPTET as well. And I
Hmm.
love singing and singing and yoga and exercise as well. And
Hmm.
about my family, there are 10 I live in joint family. There are 10 members in my family. I'm a mother of two kids. Both are son. And I have been learning this language for 10 months ago. But initially, I was not consistent about this language.
Hmm.
But now I have been learning this language to be honestly since
Hmm.
November 2023. Yeah, ma'am. And that's all about me.
Oh.
And ma'am, I'm a running YouTube channel. I just started my journey. So that's all.
Hmm. So, Babita, you and me are housewives, right? Right. So we
Yeah.
are not consistent to maintain consistent because of our family for our kids, right? So,
Yes. Right. Right.
hmm.
Hmm.
So how do you manage? Like, how do you manage your consistency in nowadays?
Yeah. Actually, ma'am, my elder one is studying in sixth standard. Okay, when he
Hmm.
goes to school, so I will be I have time, I have some time for myself. Okay, and that
Hmm.
time I
Hmm.
try to watch some conversational video and any kind of English content. I try to
Hmm.
watch them, and
Hmm.
because actually because of mother, so it's a really very difficult job because
Hmm.
everything you have to manage like household chores and taking care of your family, taking care of your children,
Yes.
and everything you have to do by yourself. There are lots of responsibility in my shoulders. So that is why it's a very hectic schedule for me. Even then I did
Hmm.
and I tried to improve myself because I
Hmm.
don't want to sit at home because
Hmm.
nowadays
Hmm.
mostly I'm talking about women. Women are growing day by day in their life.
Yes.
So it's really very good thing in our culture, in
Hmm.
our society. So
Yes.
we can learn lots of things from them. Who is working, sitting at home, who is doing lots of things only
Yes.
by self. So only by herself. So it's a really commendable job who ladies are is doing this kind of activity. So
Yes.
I inspiration. Yeah, I'm also inspiration. Lots of women like English with Dihati ma'am, Karishma ma'am, and like
Hmm.
you all are YouTuber. You are doing a very good job. It's a very commendable job, right? So
Yes.
I'm not that person who is sitting at home only. And you know, ma'am,
Hmm.
we are fortunate. We can learn anything sitting at home. There is lots of thing available on social media. You just need to utilize your time. You just need to focus on yourself. Whatever you want to do in your life, whatever you want to become, you can easily learn. You can easily move forward in your life. There is no doubt because of this
Yes.
social media. Yes. So because I have learned lots of things. This social
Hmm.
media. That's why I'm telling. So now
Hmm.
I am here because of this language. Because earlier
Hmm.
I started my journey and I
Hmm.
improved a lot. I'm feeling much better. I can talk with other person. But
Hmm.
initially, it was not my cup of tea. When I wanted to talk with other person, that time I was fumbling. I was hesitant that time, hesitating. But now I'm feeling much better. I can talk
Hmm.
a little with any other person. So I thought in my mind, why can't I do? If any other women can do it,
Hmm.
then why can't I? I can definitely do if I have
Hmm.
some craze inside me. So this
Yes.
kind of this kind of thinking was going on at the time. Now I'm feeling
Hmm.
much better because I can talk. I knew some English word with talking to someone, and
Hmm.
I have confidence to speak someone because earlier I hadn't any kind of confidence inside me. So
Hmm.
yeah, this is my journey, and you if you are a housewife, you can do anything because you know, ma'am,
Yes.
Nari is Narayani. Yeah. So now,
Yes.
yeah.
That's
So yeah. So, ma'am, tell me about your journey. When did it comes in your mind like you should learn this language and you can
hmm.
easily learn, you can move forward in your life through this language. When did it comes in your mind?
Babita, it's come in my mind 9 to 10 months ago. One day I was watching the Hathi Madam videos. Okay. At that time, I
Hmm.
was interested to learn this language, but I don't know how can I start this language. If
Hmm.
sometime I was thinking like that, how can I find person? Because at that time I don't know the Skype app,
Hmm.
and it
Okay.
was always in my mind that if I will start my journey, so how can I connect with them? So it is the very hard task for me at that time. So one day I posted a video, if anyone wants to talk in English, so you can message me. So I tried to connect it with them person in a Instagram. So
Yeah.
one day I met a man. A man messaged me that I want to make a conversation video with you. So okay. So at that time I know about that Skype app. So
Okay.
slowly my journey is going on like this. So
Yeah.
that's how
Yeah.
I
Right.
started my journey. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, ma'am. Yesterday it was also not my cup of tea because I didn't know anything
Mm,
about Skype, about YouTube channel, how to connect with other person, how to message. Even I didn't know how to email with other person.
mm,
But you know, uh, I was crazy to learn this language. So that is why
yes.
I searched a lot on YouTube channel how to email to other person, how to connect with other person, how to message with other
Mm,
person to other person. So that's how I knew all the
mm,
thing. And now, ma'am, I can say social YouTube channel is a very good platform. It's a great
good
platform.
platform.
If you really want,
Yes.
if you really want to move forward in your life, then without hesitation, without restriction, you can move forward. There is no doubt, ma'am.
Mm,
Yeah.
yes.
So this is
You
how.
you know when I started this YouTube journey, at that time I was so afraid that how can I connect it, how can I talk if that person is like blackmailing me. So these kind of thoughts I was in my mind. And my husband
Yeah.
sometimes he said to me, if you have a female friend, so you can make video. If you are talking with a male person, so you can't. At that time he was also afraid, like
Right. Yeah.
if just because of family members, what they
Family
will
member.
speak about your woman. So at that time I was thinking like that, but before I was talking to another person, and now I'm continuously I was posting. Now he has no issue and I don't have any issue. I
Yeah.
continuously I am learning this language.
It's a very safe platform.
Hmm.
You can learn anything without any hesitation. Yeah, there's no doubt because it's a very good
Hmm.
platform and everyone is here very polite. They have
Yes.
very patient. They have very benign of nature. I can say because I talked with many person like I have been talking I have been talking with Skype for 15
Hmm.
days ago. So
Okay.
Okay, so ma'am, I have talked, I think, 7 to 9 people, and every people are so
Oh.
humble. Yeah,
Hmm.
every people are so humble. They are very benign of nature, and they have very patience. With
Hmm.
talking, yeah, with talking to someone. So I can say it's a very good platform, and you can easily talk with them, so
Hmm.
and so that by which you can easily move forward in your life, by which you can easily enhance your English. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. So, Babita, I want to know that do you have any profit that you are doing video calls, like you are doing conversations video? Okay. So, do you have any profit? Like, yes, you are learning new things, and you are like you are connecting with so many ladies, so many men, and somehow we can say that we are learning so many things. Yes, by connecting to them.
Yeah,
So, what is
actually,
your
ma'am,
opinion?
my opinion is that, ma'am, if you are talking with other person by audio call, then it is okay,
Hmm.
but it's not much more than okay, because
Hmm.
if you are talking to someone by video call, that is very better for
Hmm.
you. Confidence
Hmm.
level will be increased day by day, little by little, and
Yes.
you can talk any other person in front of them without hesitation,
Hmm.
because video call is like this, someone is sitting at you, so it's a very good.
Yes.
If you are talking with someone by video call, then your confidence level can be increased little by little. There is no doubt, because earlier I was so hesitant. Yeah,
Hmm.
my first video call, when I started my journey by video call, so that time I was fumbling when I was talking to with Arun sir,
Yes.
and that was my
Hmm.
first video call. Yeah, that time I was
Okay.
fumbling. I was having butterfly in my stomach. But after
Hmm.
talking with them, I was feeling much better because of them, and
Hmm.
he made me comfortable that time.
Hmm.
Yeah, so this kind of happening with us. If you are talking with someone by video call, it's very better, and you can take lots of advantage from it. So I think you should definitely talk by video call if you really want to enhance your English. Yeah, ma'am.
Hmm. So, Babita, I want to know that in this time, women should know English. They should learn this language or not, according to you.
Sorry, ma'am. Please repeat once again.
According to you, women should know English or not. They should
Yes, ma'am.
speak English.
Definitely. Yeah,
Hmm.
definitely, ma'am. I can say
Hmm.
every woman should learn this language, because ma'am, this language is really very crucial. If they are
Hmm.
no if they are knowing this language, they can easily move forward in their life, and they can establish in their life. And even ma'am, if they have children, I'm talking about women, if they have children, they can easily talk with them in English, because
Hmm.
English is really very essential in this era. And if you talk to your children, then your children can also growing day by day
Hmm.
in their life. So it's really very crucial. If you are learning this, if you know this language, then you can easily handle anything. And this language is international language. It's a really very
Hmm.
great language, I can say. If you know this language gives us many opportunities, with the help of which we can easily move forward in our life. And
Yes.
women should definitely learn this language. This language gives us lots of happiness, ma'am, because I have never been happy as I am now. So
Yes.
that is why I can say, if any women want to learn this language, then they can
Hmm.
definitely learn. They should definitely
Hmm.
learn this language. Yeah, ma'am. So that easily they can easily move forward in her life. Yeah, ma'am.
So, Babita, we are housewife. Yes, we all the time we always stay in house. So our thinking power is not go outside of the house. We are not able to think out of the box. So it is happened just because of we are close to ourselves in this house, right? And now we are connecting to the peoples. Like I am connecting to you are from Gorakhpur and I am connecting from Delhi. So like we are changing our thoughts, and I know about you and you know about something from me. So you
Yeah.
can say that we change our mentality
Yes.
by knowing each
Right.
other. Yes.
Yes. Yes. Right.
So sometime I was thinking like this is doing I'm good, I'm doing good things for myself and
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am feel
Definitely.
happy. Yes.
Obviously, ma'am, whatever you are doing great job. It's really commendable. And sitting at
Hmm.
home, you can do anything because this platform is really great platform. You know, ma'am, in
Hmm.
our culture, what is happening? Most of the houses they are not allow to women.
Hmm.
They can move out, they can go outside. They are not.
Hmm.
They don't allow. So it's a very good thing if you are not able to going outside. So you can easily do all those things sitting at home. There is no doubt.
Yes.
So it's a very
Yes.
so you just need to utilize your time. You just think in your mind in only positive way. Like whatever you are doing good job, and you can definitely success in it because
Yes.
whatever you are not doing a bad thing. You are doing commendable job. So
Yes.
if after getting success, those are people will appreciate you, and that time will be your time. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Definitely. So in your home, Babita, there is, and anyone knows that you are running a YouTube channel or no?
Actually, ma'am, about this journey, only my husband knows about this
Yes.
journey, and and my brother, sister. Yeah,
Okay.
my related to me, my brother and my sister. Yeah, in my
Okay.
family, no one is knowing about it. Yani, it
Yes.
means they are not knowing
Interested.
about this thing. Like I'm doing which kind of job, which kind of activity I'm doing in a day. So
Hmm.
when I free time, that time I just message in Skype on Skype, and if people are
Hmm.
free, so that time I try to connect with them. They
Okay.
don't know. My family, they don't know about anything about me. Yeah.
Yes. So in my house, in my family, only my husband know about this channel, and my paternal house family they know all know. You know when I said to my sister, okay, I am making these videos for. So then she shared, okay, by sharing you will increase your subscribers. She said to me this, and I said to her, don't tell anyone because they will make fun of my English. So are you not free?
Actually, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, my younger one is calling. He's crying. He's crying.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
don't problem. You can handle him. Okay. Have a nice day,
Yeah.
dear.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am. And